this is a quick little get ready with me before I go out. A quick outfit of the day before we start. I'm wearing a black wrap dress, paired it with a harness for a little bit of edge. To start off with some BB cream. I don't really wear face makeup. I like to look more natural, so I'm just going to go in and even out my complexion. Then I'm going to add some Hoola bronzer to add a little bit more dimension. And while I was recording, I didn't realize how heavy my hand was, but you know, quickly fixed it off camera. No big deal. I'm going to go ahead and take this light beige shade from SMASHBOX and pat it all over my eyelid to get it ready for more eyeshadow. Then I'm going to go in with Styling from Tarte, which is a nice dark brown shade to put into my crease. And put Boss into the crease, which is a nice shimmery brown color, to make it more glamorous for the night. I'm going to go ahead and take this cream eyeshadow from ColourPop called Bouncy and pat it all over my eyelid. And as you can tell, I like using my fingers to put on eyeshadow just because the color is so much more pigmented that way. Then I'm going to go ahead and quickly add eyeshadow to my under eyes. And we're going to go ahead and dab the inner eyelids with a gold color instead of like a white shimmery color, because I think that it looks a lot more natural. Then I'm going to go ahead and put on some CARMEX, and I'm going to go and lightly put on some lip color.